changed my clothes. Now can we go horse riding?
No, we need a hat to go horse riding.
A hat? Delivery number 3. Wait. Come on.
Let's go. Let's go. No.
The right hat?
No. No. Yeah.
Oh dear. The
Let's go home, Ozzy.
So, this is where we do the long jump. We jump into the sand.
Casper, we should jump because I'm gonna win.
No, I gotta win now. I'm win.
Casper did a big jump and I did a small jump. Again. Tennis? I love tennis.
Sure.
I'm really good at tennis. Let's play a game. All I have to do is hit the ball over the net. I think I will win.
No, I will win.
Let's play a match. It's broken. We could play a game of football. Wow! Look at this. A football. Let's go!
Go for Casper! Go for
No! I'm really good at basketball too, Elliot. This ball is broken! It's broken. Don't worry. My second delivery. Wait here.
This ball is the same.
No, this ball is good. Look. Please, can I play in the match?
No. But we do need a referee.
Thank you. Now, I want a good, clean match. That's 1 point for the Dizzy Deliveries team. One point for the blue team. And another point for the Dizzy Deliveries team. Blow it, blow it. It's a draw, and the next team to score wins. Elliot passes it to his brother. It's Elliot's team that's gonna lift the trophy today. Well done. Your team won the Dizzy Deliveries Cup. I think everybody is here. It's time to dance. Ladies and gentlemen, let's dance.
There's no place I'd rather be. Lingering in the ocean blue. I'd surf till the sun sets beyond the horizon. La 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 la. Hedi hedi mai tato he.
Roller coaster ride.
Okay, let's do the dog. Let's do the frog.
Now, let's start again. Okay, let's get on our surfboard. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, and jump. Surf on our mats. Oh, here comes a big wave. Whoa! Let's on our bellies and swim. Come on, Joe. Let's swim, 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 swim. Are we ready to jump up again? Oh my goodness. One more wave. Ready? goodness. Oh, poor Joe. Let's sit up. Let's make it easier for Joe. Poor Joe's tired. It's time to lie down.
Nice shoes.
Ah, thank you.
Now it's time to do a warm-up. Shay, you go first. Okay.
Shay's really good at bowling.
Joe, it's your turn. Okay.
Bowling is easy. 3 down, go!
It's okay.
Oh, bowling is hard.